Okay, so hi guys, I just thought I'll do this quick video. It's really just to show you some dilemma I've been having. So obviously you have the MagMod accessories. You have this one that allows you to have, you know, 2 flashlights, you know, or you take this out like so, and you can put the circle one, you know, or you can put one or whatever. But you can put the Pika200, which is what I have been trying to figure out. Now, obviously doing research and speaking to other people and my understanding of the whole MagMod things, this is the solution. You get this MagMod Speedring, you know, this is for the Bowens, you know, and you need to also get this, so I wanted the Pika200 Pro, but I thought I'll just get the cheaper one on the internet because they're technically the same brand. So that's the Godox version. This pop is away. This one comes with all this, but that's not the point. So yeah, so this is what you need to get, and this is referred to as the Speedlight bracket, the S2 Speedlight bracket. So now this is where it gets interesting. So I got all of this just to simply have my Pika200, which I will be opening in a minute, here to work, you know, with my Octa, my Octa 24, you know. So I'll just bring this out. So there's 2 things here. So if you're using it like this, like so, it's fine, it works, right? So I'll just bring that out, and I'll bring in the parts that make it a little bit more complicated. Just this too. I don't need the battery or anything because I'm just trying to illustrate what I figured. So if you want to use, you know, so let's take this off because we're not really too bothered about this. We all know this easily works with this head, right? So we put this on. I'll just leave the bulb out here for now. Just walk around. So that's where the bulb goes. Make sure it's aligned. Okay, good, like so, boom. Now if you try to, you know, put on, this is the magnet thing, it just doesn't work because it's got this screw bit here, you know, and it becomes a mess. So the solution is to get this, stick it here, well, maybe the other way because I can't be bothered to undo everything, and screw it in place like so. Yeah, we'll probably all agree with that, right? Well, and then you have this. I always use this as a protector just in case it falls, because I'm a candid photographer. I like taking my pictures, you know, just having everything ready to go, and sometimes things fall, drop, whatever. Now the downside for all these accessories is it's one extra heavy crap to carry around. You know, I don't want to have this just for that purpose. So I figured, how can I get this to work on this? Now let me show you. So again, recall, this is how this works, and you get the whole bulb and light, and then you sort of stick this onto, actually let me show you properly. Let me open up this MagMod Pro case, the ring, pop that off, took this away. So literally got all these things, and after playing around, I figured out a way, and I will be returning everything. So yeah, you literally just take this and it's, you know, it goes in place. Just try not to get this in its way. Anyway, yeah, this fits in, and oh, you should. Why is it not working? I'm just using this off the list. So there you go, like so, and then once that's in place, you clip it in, and then you can now put your whatever MagMod what's it called now, diffusers you want to put on. So the big ones, the Pro, whatever, and this makes it literally do what this does. Yeah, again, this is all unnecessary. It's quite heavy, this bit and this as well, so it's just heavyweight for me, which I really am not interested in. So here's the solution to getting this to work, but there's one accessory you need. So I'll take this off. Again, everything I'm using is the official product, so I'm not saying you should go retrofit. Now I know they might say, well, we don't recommend you do this, but then again, it's very cheeky of them to have you go purchase a brand new thing just because, you know. Now if you have other need for this, then yeah, go ahead. But then again, when you're going into this league, I expect you to be using the like 600s or whatever, you know, the very high intensity lights, which technically should have these sort of provided. Again, depending, right? And then I can understand why you might want to get this, you know, because that's the only way you can only use the MagMod diffusers on. So let's keep this aside for now. To get this bad boy to work, I found this is the Gen 2. Now this is the Gen 1. What do you notice? You notice the Gen 1, it's slightly longer in thickness. It's longer, you know, which means if you put this on this like so, like that, more or less, you know, like this, it's long enough to fit like this, which solves the problem. I will show you. So this is the Gen 1. I'll put it next to it, side by side. So you see this snugs quite tightly, but this Gen 2 is actually not long enough, you know. So as a result of that, you actually get that issue of it not fitting in. So let's do this with the Gen 2. I'll just keep this aside for now. Yeah. So obviously we need to take out this bit here, like this. Just pop that up there. Or leave it open because we're going to put it right. To do this, I recommend you take out all. Yes, I know it's like, oh well, you're going to cover this, but yeah, it's not the end of the world, you know. And then this fits in. Now this is obviously quite tight because, you know, I think it's a known fact, you know, these are really made for speed lights, you know, but I'm using it on the Pika200. Now again, depending on how far, you know, out you want it from the Octa 24 or 42 or whatever it is you're using, you can pull this down, you know. I mean, I'll avoid blocking out the vents here, but the only thing you're blocking is the lever to bring it out. But then again, that's fine, because when you want to bring this out, you pull it down and you can pull it up, and then like so, then you can bring that out. So yeah, now you have this in place. And guys, look, my kids are fighting. You simply snap this on, like so. And what do you have? Boom. So I don't need any extra, you know, MagMod. I don't need the MagMod Speedring. I can use what I use for my flash guns on here for the Pika200. So I just think it's a cheaper way of doing things. It's very steady, you know. Obviously if you push it hard, it can come off, you know, but then again, at that point you would expect you're bringing it out. I always recommend using these protectors, you know, just in case anything happens, but put that the right way. But yeah, you get the gist, right? And like that, so this is it. This is what you need all this extra weight and load for, you know, that you really don't need it. This is what you want to use it for, and you already have this. You know, now you could say, well, I want to put 2. Well, this doesn't take 2. This only takes 1, you know. So again, unless you have, you know, the bigger flashlights and you want to use that, or you want to, I don't know, you have multiple. So like in my case, I would use this one on the Octa to get good light. And then I might use my flash gun with the diffusers to sort of create other colors, right? Or just bounce things off. But you don't need this. So only get this, like I said, if you're getting quite a lot of things, in terms of you have other flashlights. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or if you want to try something, and I will do my best to get back to you. But there you go. So this is the way to go about this if you have this one that lets you use 2 flashlights. You just simply get a Gen 1 of the MagMod adapter, and that solves the problem. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this has been in focus. I just clicked record, and there. Take care. Bye guys.